5 best website builders for budget. Build big without breaking the bank. Hey, hustlers! Welcome back to Dropshipping Hustle, where we turn small budgets into big moves, money with wings. Let's talk facts for a second. You want to build a website. You want it to look professional. But you also don't want to sell your left kidney just to get started. Good news. You don't have to. In today's video, I'm going to show you the 5 best website builders for budget. The platforms that give you the most bang for your buck. And yes, while we're focused on saving cash, I'm still crowning Shopify as the best overall builder for anyone serious about growing a real business online. Why? You'll see. Let's break it down. Number 5. Card. The one-page wonder for simplicity and speed. If you're on a shoestring budget, like ramen noodles everyday kind of budget, Card is your new best friend. It's perfect for personal landing pages, simple product showcases, portfolios, lead capture forms. Card is crazy easy to use and super light. Their pro plan? Just $19 a year. Not per month. Per year. No fancy dashboards. No bloated features. Just clean, responsive websites that load fast and look polished. If you're doing affiliate marketing, building an audience, or just need a quick presence online, Card is chef's kiss for budget builders. Number 4. Strikingly, the no-fuss site for side hustlers. Next up is Strikingly, another budget-friendly builder focused on single-page websites, but with a few more business features. This one's great for beginners who want a sleek bio link page, a small online store, a quick service-based website, basic blog features. What makes Strikingly stand out is its beginner friendliness. You could literally build your first site in under 30 minutes with zero tech skills. The downside? It's limited if you need complex pages or detailed product setups. But for a side hustle on a budget, it's gold. Number 3. Zyro, the AI-powered budget builder. Zyro is like the cool underdog of the website world. It's owned by Hostinger, so it comes bundled with cheap hosting, beautiful templates, and built-in AI tools, including logo makers, slogan generators, and even AI writing assistants. Hey, competition grinning face with smiling eyes. Zyro is ideal for small businesses, portfolio sites, simple online stores. Their pricing? As low as $2.99 per month, depending on the plan. That's cheaper than most streaming services. It doesn't offer every bell and whistle, but for the price, it punches way above its weight. Number 2. WordPress plus Elementor, on a budget. Now, if you're willing to get your hands a little dirty, but still keep things cheap, the combo of WordPress plus Elementor is a dream duo. Here's how it works. You get WordPress hosting, often just $3 to $5 per month. Install Elementor, a free drag-and-drop page builder. Add a free theme, and boom, custom professional-looking site on a dime. This option gives you total creative control, even on a budget. You can build anything: blogs, business sites, landing pages, e-commerce stores, with a little patience and curiosity. Now, setup is a bit more technical than Card or Wix, but once you're in, you've got freedom with very low monthly spend. Number 1. Shopify. Budget-friendly power for real business. Now, let's talk Shopify. You might be thinking, wait, isn't Shopify expensive? Nope. Not when you compare value. Because here's the truth. Shopify gives you everything you need to launch, grow, and run a real online business, starting at just $1 per month for the first 3 months. Yes, they're still running that promo at the time I'm filming this. And even after the promo ends, what you're paying for is way more than just a website. White heavy check mark store builder. White heavy check mark secure checkout. White heavy check mark inventory management. White heavy check mark sales analytics. White heavy check mark app integrations. White heavy check mark payment processing. White heavy check mark shipping tools. White heavy check mark social selling. White heavy check mark 24/7 support. Trying to piece all of that together using cheap plugins and free builders will cost you more time, energy, and frustration than it's worth. And if you're thinking long-term, Shopify isn't just budget-friendly, it's profit-friendly. So if you're serious about building a store, not just a site, Shopify is your move. And hey, I've made it even easier for you. Click the Shopify link in the description box below and start your store today. It supports the channel 2 flexed biceps. Let's recap the winners. Card. Ultra simple, ultra cheap, one-page hero. Strikingly, for quick, sleek side hustle setups. Zyro, AI tools plus small business style on a dime. WordPress plus Elementor. Full control for DIY dreamers. Shopify, the smartest business builder, even on a budget. Bottom line, you don't need big money to make a big impact. Just smart tools and the right strategy. Start small. Think big. Build smart. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more budget-savvy tips, and don't forget to click that Shopify link in the description to kickstart your online empire today. This is Dropshipping Hustle, and as always, keep hustling smart and growing like a boss.